In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Tapo C225 security Wi-Fi camera. The box of Tapo C225 looks like this. Here you can see that it supports 2K recording and it is Wi-Fi 6 and it works with Apple Home and Alexa. At the back side of the box, you can see some of the features. It comes with 1 year warranty, and coming to the price, I bought it from Amazon for approximately 3,700. If you want, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. If you have small kids at home, then it is a must have camera at home. Let's open the box. Inside you will find a quick start guide. If you would like to fix the camera on the wall, you can use this paper and drill holes. And here is the information on how to set up for Apple Homekit. And here is the charger. This goes at the back side of the camera to power on the device. And here you can see the branding, it's TP-Link, and you can see the model number, and this is made in China. And inside you will find this base. If you want to wall mount, you simply use this paper and you can drill the holes. You can fix this adapter to the wall, and here you can see the screws, and here is the camera. Now let's look at the physical overview of this smart camera. Here is a privacy mode button. If you click on this, it will not record the video, and at the back you have the speaker, and here is a port for powering on the device. You will get the adapter. You need to insert the adapter at the back like this. It will power on the device, and here is the LED. Here is the mic. If you want to have a inbuilt storage, you can use a micro SD card. Here you can see that you have the option to insert the micro SD card, and here is the reset button. I have connected the power adapter, and let's insert this. Once you turn on the switch, you can see the red light on the camera. First thing what we need to do is we need to install the Tapo app from the Play Store or the App Store. Here is the app, TP-Link Tapo. Click on Get. Once the app is installed, click on Open. Give the permissions. You need to give local network permission needed. Click on Go to Settings. After giving the local network permissions, click on Accept the terms and conditions and click on Continue. If you have a TP-Link ID, click on Login. Otherwise, click on Create a TP-Link ID. Once you are logged into the Tapo app, the user interface will look like this. Now to add your Tapo security camera, what you need to do is, at the top right you can see the plus icon. Click on the plus icon and click on Add Device. Click on Go to Settings and enable local network. Once you have given the permissions, click on I have already given the local network permission. Click on that. Now you will get a lot of these options. Select the Tapo device. Since Tapo C225 is an indoor device, I am going to select indoor camera. Once you click on the indoor camera, it will give the list of indoor cameras. Select your model. In my case, it is Tapo C225. Click on that. In Tapo C225, there are two versions, version 1.x and version 2.x. For me, it is version 2.x, so I am going to select version 2.x. Give the permission to access Bluetooth. Click on Allow. Now you can see that if your camera is blinking red and blue, select already blue and red. Click on that. Give the permissions. Now you can see that it is trying to connect to the security camera. Here you can see the message, found it. Connect to the Wi-Fi network.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Now it is connecting to the Wi-Fi network.
Wi-Fi connected.
Once the Wi-Fi is connected, you can hear the message from the camera. Now it is pairing your Tapo device. Give the device name. After giving the device name, click on Next. Click on Next. Choose the icon type for the device. Now you can see that you will get a message, complete. You have configured your Tapo device and it is ready for use. Click on Sounds Good. You have two options. You can use a local storage using the micro SD card, or you can use the Tapo Care cloud service. It is free for 30 days. If you don't want to use the cloud, simply click on Skip. Click on Got It. Click on Got It. Now you can see that once the device is added, it will show over here. Click on the device. Click on Go. Here you can see the resolution 2K. Got it. Now you can see that currently the device is in privacy mode. If you want to exit the privacy mode, you can simply click on Exit Privacy Mode. Now you can see that the camera is showing up. Here you can see that there is a slight delay. There are a lot of options such as talk, pan, tilt or mode, and if you want to move the camera you can simply click on pan and tilt option, and you can see that you can move like this. If you want to zoom in you can simply double tap on that, it will zoom in. If you want to have the full screen, click on this button, it will show you the full screen. Here is the full screen. You can simply zoom in, zoom out like this, zoom in, zoom out, double tap, zoom in, zoom out. Here also you can see the preview, and there is a privacy mode button on the app itself. Once you click on privacy mode, here you can see that it stops recording. If you want to exit the privacy mode you can simply click on exit privacy mode, or you can simply click on this button, it will exit the privacy mode. And if you want to talk you can do that, give the permissions, you press and hold and talk. Hello. Here is the alarm, you can turn off the alarm over here. You can play back the recordings, click on playback and download, and you can use either cloud or local storage, that is micro SD card. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.